Stop by and take a look at the 2025 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, leather seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.